Alright, this is what I'm going to make a chili con carne. Hopefully this is going to be just as a red bean stew. The first thing, what I have in a large sauce pot or a soup pot, what I call this, I put it on high heat. We're going to get started by putting 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Just want to get the oil very slightly hot. I'm going to throw in that I roughly chop 2 medium white, or I'm using yellow onions. I'm going to throw it in. Just want to saute to get very translucent. Now once the onion is just translucent, it's almost getting soft enough, I'm going to plop it in 1 pound of lean ground beef. That has for 70%, actually for the 7% fat. I'm just going to break it over. You want to brown the beef. We don't want to have no longer pain. The beef is just brown over. We're going to add some spices. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of ground chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I'm also put 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. I'm going to sprinkle 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I also put just a little cayenne, that's 4 teaspoons of ground cayenne pepper. And of course, 1 teaspoon of ground oregano. I'm going to use one with the Mexican oregano. I'm just going to do this real quick before I go to rest. I'm also going to put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And just going to give that coat really well. Now I'm going to pour a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Oh, look at that, a lot of crushed tomatoes. Then I'm going to pour about a half a cup of beef broth. What I like to do, I can put it onto a little waste of the crushed tomato with a can. And I just give that a swirl, we don't want to waste that. And just put it right into that. Make sure you get that tomato off the can. And just going to give this to stir around. I'm going to sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 3/4 teaspoons of ground black pepper. And just going to keep going. Now gradually, the last thing not least, I'm going to put about 15.5 ounce can of red kidney beans. I have a brand named Goya that have been already drained well. I use it with this sieve because if you get excess liquid off, I'm going to put this right into that. Goya red kidney beans, right, looks like this. That is about premium. And just going to keep stirring around. Now you want to reduce the heat to low. Then you want to bring it to the simmer uncovered for 18 to 20 minutes. And you have to make sure to keep stirring occasionally or until desired thickness. It just simmer for 18 to 20 minutes. You're going to be ready to serve it hot. And don't forget to remove from the heat. I like to give this to serve a little bowl. That way, it's going to be nice and perfectly beautiful chili, just like a stew. I like to just give this a little dollop of sour cream right on top of that. It'd be just give this for the presentations. I could also add with some beautiful shredded cheddar cheese, or I can also use a cube cheddar cheese and chop with some cilantro if you can. If you don't like cilantro, just leave it out here. And here's the finished chili con carne. Grab some of your tortilla chips to dip. I have about only blue corn tortilla chips in a cup instead of using about the yellow corn tortilla chips. It says about the blue tortilla chips it might be healthier. Or you can serve with some white rice on the sides and dig in. Of course, I can have something to serve with some beautifully chili dogs. On this one, I put on mustards on it and cheeses in. You can put like onions, even the horseradish. There you go, chili con carne. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.